Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am discuss the Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis novel include the world literature syllabus. First, I am discuss the MCQs. The Metamorphosis written by Franz Kafka. Where was Franz Kafka born? Prague. Second, when Kafka was 28, what business did the father pursued him into helping to open as abstract factory? How did Kafka view sexual intercourse, a kind of punishment? How did Kafka serve tuberculously eventually kill him? Starvation. How did Kafka want to his writing deal with after his death? Destroyed. What if Gregor Samsa, line of business, traveling salesman? How fast vives Gregor after his transformation into a cockroach बनने से पहले? His mother. What does Gregor eventually use to unlock his door? His mother. How does Gregor family make money after Gregor transformation and their new poverty they take on borders? Whose idea if it is get right to Gregor, his sister? Why does Gregor feel he must keep the job his dislike his father debt? How long does Gregor live as a bug after his transformation? Rest of his life. Gregor's father is forced to dash after Gregor transformation, return to work. What if chore woman? Gregor cleaning lady. What do the boarders in the Femsa house greatly value? Clean. A option. Clean line with. Gregor deal with all of the hardships in his life without complaint. Once Gregory views his new infect boy, where is he most comfortable under the couch? What if the photograph that Gregor refused to let anyone take away? A woman wearing far. Who is the only character beside Gregor that has a first name in the society? In his story, his sister. From whose point of view does the reader see Gregor's father? Gregor. Beside the picture of the woman wearing fur, what does Gregor see when he wakes up transformed? Fabric samples. What negative result of his constant traveling does Gregor bemoan? No friend. What does Gregor office manager accuse him of when he visits Gregor at home? Stealing money. What does Gregor office manager accuse him to when visit Gregor at home? Stealing money. How does Gregor mother react the first time she sees him as an insect? Passes out. Without Gregor ask his office manager to go as the office manager back away in terror. Stop negative gossip. What favorite food or drink does Gregor find but he now hates milk. Which of the scraps that great bring Gregor is the most infect in the mostly bites? What condition does Gregor's mother suffer from? Asthma. Why does Gretty move the furniture out of Gregor's room to make more room? Why does Gregor's mother passed out when she entered Gregor's room and see him? He is on the wall. She is Gregor mobility limited at the beginning of part 3. He is injured. असल में ये उस वक्त इंजर्ड हुआ था जब इसके वालिद साहब बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से में थे और उन्होंने सेब मारा था और ये ज़ख्मी हो गया था. What of the Famsa family began feeling to pay their bills, jewelry. Beside Fortune, what do they move into Gregor's room once the Podent move in, clearing slabs? Where is Gregor right before he died? In his room. How discover Gregor death body? The clearing lady. What cause is given by Gregor transformation done? What even confidence Gregor that he will never be physical and emotional comfortable if in fact from the fertile removal. How does Gregor after refer to his transformation abstractly? Beside Gregor, who goes through a story of metamorphosis of these own during the story. The sister. The father dignity is symbolized by his uniform.